Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Nelson Chad here from Charles Adventures. Today, guys, we're in a new location in Willcox, Arizona. We got a train coming. We're at a new crossing. This is new grounds. Don't know where I'm at, but we found this railroad crossing next to the tracks. What perfect timing, as we have a train literally coming right now, and we just got here too. So alrighty, crossing activation. Gates coming down at rapid speed. And we got Union Pacific eastbound. Go some DPUs up, and up go the gates. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you guys did, then be sure to go down and punch that subscribe button. Also punch the bell to miss any of the videos. Also, you're down there, go and like the video if you guys like it. Show what you guys want me to do some more real fanning videos. That is gonna do it for now. Good luck on your ventures, travel safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.